In this video, I'm going to cover some cool tips and tricks in Solidworks. So let's start. Now suppose select this face and press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now click on sketch and draw a circle like this. Now here you can see the circle is underdefined. Now to make it fully defined, either I can use smart dimension or what I can do is go here and click on fully defined sketch. Select my sketch and click OK. And voila, your sketch is now fully defined. Okay. Now suppose I want to extrude this at a some particular incline angle. Okay. Now most people will try to use swept command because I want to incline at a particular angle. So I will show you how to do it with both space. So first exit the sketch and select the front plane. Click on sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now draw the line as per your requirement and give the angle as per your requirement. Suppose I draw the line and give the angle of 60 degree and give the length as per your requirement. Now I want to extrude this line up to in this direction. What I can do, click on extrude both ways. First select this sketch, click on extrude both ways. After that you see this direction for extrusion. So click on here and select this line. You see I can select my direction extrusion and you can increase or decrease the height as per your requirement. Okay, it's a very quite cool thing. Okay, now what about if you want to do extrude cut? So press Ctrl Z. What you can also do, go here, click on extrude cut, select this circle, click on direction, select this line, and you can also cut in this direction as well. Okay, now click OK. See, we have cut this by simply drawing a line. Okay, so this is a quite good trick if you have to do it, because using swift command will waste a lot of time, plus using this as a sketch will save a lot of time. Now let's see some other cool tips and tricks. Suppose I draw a lot of sketch. Suppose I say I draw a circle and I draw this line. It's like these two lines. Here you can see if I if I click on this workspace, the constraint is hiding. Okay, in I saw in most of the students that they have the active on, so make sure that click on here and go here and click on view sketch relations. So if you click on it, it will always show here, but if you click on here, so it will only show when you select the sketch. Okay, because when you have a lot of sketch, it will quite messy thing to do the work. So that's the reason most people don't like these kind of things. Okay, one more thing that we can do, suppose I draw a line like this. Okay, now I want that it extend to up to this point. So how I can extend? I know that I can simply extend it, but I don't want to increase or decrease the angle of it. So here's a simple way. Click on here and sorry, click on here, click on extend entities, select this line and boom, you got this. You will find this is very useful when you have certain drawings and they don't tell you up to what height you need to extend your line. At that point you will learn. For those who are wondering what kind of sketch they have, check out my Solidworks free course, link in description, and you will learn a lot of things. I will come up with new Solidworks tips and tricks in upcoming days. So make sure that you like, subscribe and share the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.